coming into our number 5 spot, we have the checkerboard pattern. Alright, so what this pattern is, how you do it, alright, so you take the middle like this, okay, and then you want to turn it twice, so the middle twice, so 1, 2, okay, so you want to turn the middle twice, and now you want to turn this part twice, like that. And then after you have this, you want to turn the whole face like this, so you see this. It doesn't matter what color you do it with. And then you turn the middle 2 more times, and there you have it. A perfectly good checkerboard pattern. Coming into our number 4 spot, we have the rearranging the middles. Alright, so what you do for this is you just take a side that you want, and then you want to do the middle once like this, and then up like that, and then to the side like that, and then since you can't really do the top that well, you have to move it like that, and then do it like that, and then you have all the middles out of line. And now the way you put this back is pretty easy. You just find 3 that are the same color, so blue, red, and white are like in these 3 orientations. So you have red side, white side, blue side, and then the middle is white, blue, red, so they're all like jumbled up. And then you want to take it, so this one's gonna go here, so you want to push this one to there like that, so now it's in its side. Now you could push this red piece over to its side, and then push it to the red side and then right side. Alright. Alright, so this is the is another trick. So basically it's probably the easiest. You just take any side and you go and you push 2 to the right, turn 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 2 to the right, turn. Keep on doing that. And if you keep on doing that, it puts it back. It's okay. It's not that best. It's not the best, but you know, that's why it's in our number 3 spot. Peace. Alright, so this is a trick that you can learn. It's called the sexy move. And pretty much you just take a side and you do R, U, R prime, U prime. So I'll do that again. So R, U, R prime, U prime. So right, and if you don't want any notation, that is right up, top to the left, right down, top to the right. And then you just keep on doing that. You should get pretty fast at it. And then there it is. There is an easier way. It's just up, right, down, right, up, right, down, right, up, right, down, right, up, right, down, right, up, right, down, right. So it's so in A notation that is L prime, U, L, and then U. So L prime, U, L, U, L prime, U, L, U. Okay, and then not annotation, that is left up, top to the left, left down, top to the left, and you just keep doing that, and that's the easier version. So like kind of a 2-in-1 there, whichever one you find better. I don't know. Alright, coming out into our number 1 spot, we have probably one of the best like little tricks you could show your friends. It's pretty easy. You just turn the top, or not the top, you turn the middle up like that, then you turn the top to the left. And then you're going to make a little T here, and then you're just going to keep on doing that. It's going to mess up, it's fine. It's super easy, that's why I say it's in the number 1 spot, just 2 moves, and that's it. Alright, so alright, so if you want this in annotation, it's M U M U M U M U M U M U. And there it is. Probably one of the best ones besides the sexy move. I really like that one. Peace out.
That I'm at an all-time